Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving on Highway 2000 East-West leg. This is the section from Maypen to Mandeville. And we're coming up on the tollgate toll plaza. Now, NROC announced recently that they're going to start collecting toll at this toll plaza in October. So right now it's free, you don't have to pay. It's been free since this section of the road was built. But now they announced they've worked out an arrangement with Trans-Jamaica Highway, and Trans-Jamaica Highway is going to start collecting toll on the highway. On this section of the highway, they actually have the concession for the entire east-west leg of Highway 2000. That's supposed to go from Kingston. It goes from Kingston to Mandeville now, and then it's supposed to go from Mandeville to Montego Bay, although that section has not been built yet. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on the toll, the starting of the toll charges. Jamaica's ongoing drive towards modernizing its road infrastructure has reached another significant stage as preparations move forward for the implementation of toll charges along the Maypen to Williamsfield leg of Highway 2000. For months, motorists have been enjoying toll-free travel on this state-of-the-art highway, but the National Road Operating and Constructing Company, NROC, has confirmed that tolling will commence by October 2025 with the official handover of operations to Trans-Jamaican Highway TGH Limited. This transaction will be marked by the opening of the Tollgate Plaza, the newest addition to Jamaica's network of toll facilities. The Maypen to Williamsfield Highway, officially known as Highway 2000 Phase 1C, stretches approximately 23 kilometers through the parishes of Clarendon and Manchester. Since its opening in September 2023, the highway has been celebrated as a transformative piece of infrastructure. It has dramatically reduced travel times between central and southern Jamaica, eased congestion along the old Mandeville Main Road, and created new opportunities for commerce, tourism, and investment across the region. For the past 2 years, NROC has been responsible for managing and maintaining the roadway, while finalizing a concession agreement with Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited, which already operates other toll corridors including Portmore, Spanish Town, and Vineyards. Under the newly approved deal, valued at US $20.3 million or 3.16 billion Jamaican, TJH will have the right to operate and maintain the Maypen to Williamsfield section until November 2036. According to Stephen Edwards, Managing Director of NROC, the official handover and start of toll operations are expected in October 2025. During this period, the Tollgate Plaza in Clarendon will become fully operational, providing a modern facility equipped with both manual cash booths and T-tag electronic lanes for quick, efficient passage. The new plaza, positioned strategically between Maypen and Williamsfield, is set to be the central toll collection point for the western extension of the highway. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Have a good day.